You're mine. No joke. The pool just blew down the street. It blew down the street.
Grab my hand! Help!
You're so weird.
Hello, and welcome to the vlog. Hey, look at this. Jennika is driving.
Because I know how to drive.
Jen knows how to drive. I'm actually, she just got her permit, so I'm helping her get her driver's license. She has to get how many hours?
I feel like 30.
30 hours. Just kidding. You guys have obviously seen her drive all the time. But usually when we're in the car together, oh my gosh,
what?
You're close to that curve.
I was not.
Oh my,
This is
okay.
why I
I'm dead
don't
serious.
drive. Why I don't drive.
Oh man, Jen's facial recognition.
I really am bad at
Oh,
social.
I feel like we're about to hit this car right now. Oh my gosh. Oh boy.
Blocking me from being able to see.
Hey. We've made it a minute in the car. That's good. That's good.
Hey.
Jen's about to take Penelope to the doctor just for a little checkup. We think she might have a sinus infection, and so we just want to make sure that's treated. And then me and Noah actually have a fun little activity right now. As you guys know, we've been working with a bunch of companies, and one of them is the Scott's Lawn. Like, I'm trying to get our lawn super nice with their products, and it's actually going really well. So I'm doing Instagram posts for them later, and then like, I think it's like once a month on our own Instagram. I can't remember. Anyways, they want us to like have fun in our yard, so
That's what we're gonna do.
we bought a little tiny trampoline for the kids.
Yeah.
We gotta make rules though. I think one at a time, right?
Yeah, I mean,
I don't know.
we're watching. That's
Cool.
how crazy now it's
We
going.
gotta see how crazy this trampoline is first. I don't even know if it'll bounce much.
Yeah, I don't know.
But trampolines always make me a little bit more cautious and scary. It's like a really, it's a
3
kid.
to 10-year-old.
Yeah, 3-year-old trampoline. So,
3 to 10-year-old trampoline.
I'm gonna go make that right now. You'd think building a trampoline would be easy. But look how many parts there are, okay? We got that. You open up the box and it is just like, okay. Alright buddy, you gonna make it? I want you to build it, okay? I'm just gonna sit here and watch.
No, it's too hard me.
Do you need my help?
Yeah. Don't get those out.
Okay, let's sort all the pieces first and then we'll figure out where they go, okay?
Oh.
So put all the pieces that look the same together.
I throw it. Haha.
Hey, are we at the doctor? You're doing so well. Sis, look at Mama. Here's Mama. Hi. So this right eye has been goopy. And I thought it was pink eye yesterday, but the white of her eye isn't red at all. And her eye was never gooped shut in the morning or after she sleeps or anything. It's just coming out from her sinuses. So it's like we make it all winter with only colds, and now like summer starts and we get the sinus infections. But we'll see. I think they'll put her on a little antibiotic or something and we'll go from there. Huh. Hey, are you playing down there? Oh, see that light up? Is that toy light up, Miss Blondie? BJ, look at Mom. I don't know if you'll see, but it gets all goopy in there. Dad and Noah are building a trampoline at home. Squeeze it. Squeeze it, ready? Oh. You can tell her that like the under part of her eye is a little swollen. She's been rubbing it. I think it's bothering her. Hey, but no crying. You've been doing good.
You know, I was actually really good at trying to figure out how things fit together. I think this is how these go. I'll double check the directions, but good job, buddy. Helping build your trampoline? We were close. They actually go in it like that. You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, stick that one up. Right there. Watch your hands. Watch your hands. Good job.
Okay, just leaving the doctor's office. Man, I'm so grateful for doctors. Anyway, but it just takes a long time. Going to the doctor is like an hour or more thing. Anyway, anyway. Okay, I'm not gonna complain about that. He didn't wanna, it wasn't my normal doctor, but he was a very nice man. He didn't wanna like say right off the bat that it's a sinus infection, just because like you'd have to have like an MRI to like see on a child like what's blocked and whatnot. But he just thinks that like the ducts are just clogged from the nasal snot, whatever. So we're just gonna do saline drops for today and tomorrow, or just today, and see how her eye goop does. Saline drops and just suck all the snot out as much as I can. Hopefully she'll sneeze a lot of it out. And then worst case scenario, if she's not getting better this weekend, if she spikes a fever or anything like that, then I have a prescription for an antibiotic for her. Worst case scenario. So hopefully we can get this cleared up on our own. Everyone's got a little bit of something, and I just do not feel good today. But that's just because I'm a woman, and sometimes women have weeks of a month that just, they don't feel so great. Okay, now we're gonna go home and see how the trampoline is and if it's set up. Wonder if Sam needed any help. It looks a little big. For some reason I thought it was gonna be a much easier process and that it was already gonna be done when I got back, but there's lots of pieces to this. She did not like the doctor though. She was like screaming. Oh hi, peekaboo.
You know what they say, babe?
No, I don't know what they say.
October.
Nope. No. Guys, no way. That is not happening. Hi. Hi. It's not foreshadowing anything.
She's trying to do a somersault.
I'm just being a good friend.
She's trying to do a somersaut.
She's totally in the peek under her legs phase right now. Peekaboo, where's Peekaboo? Oh. Has it been tedious?
Yeah, we just had a break to go to the bathroom and you know, little breaks here and there.
Yeah.
So.
Peekaboo. Whoa, what? You're about to do a somersault. Whoa! Good girl.
It's because the other night she did that and I helped her do a somersault.
You
That's
did?
why she's trying to do it.
She's trying to do it. Do it again.
Do it again.
Go again, sis. What? Sorry. You did? Noah's very obsessed with owies. He hates owies so much.
He just wants everyone to be cured of owies.
Yeah. You gonna be a doctor and fix people's owies? Not if you can't handle seeing an owie.
So I've been eating
way too much hot sauce.
Way too much hot sauce lately. Ever since we went to that hot sauce thing, every single meal, and I'm feeling it lately.
Oh yeah.
I need to stop. But I had ordered some hot sauce online from Heatnist. I love, like I mentioned before in a vlog, the show Hot Ones, right? On Hot Ones, they have their own special hot sauce. Look at they from Brooklyn, New York. This is like wrapped really nicely. So I want to try all the sauces on Hot Ones, but I ordered their specific sauce from the actual show, like their branded one.
Fiery Chipotle.
Yeah. Hot Ones, fiery Chipotle.
Does anyone know if too much hot sauce will ruin your insides?
Jen's worried about
Whoa.
I'm worried about his colon falling apart.
George Clooney, Jen. I was gonna take a meal off, but I mean,
take a meal off.
Let's see. On First We Feast Hot Ones, host Sean Evans uses spicy wings as a truth serum to get the realest answers from his celeb guests. Oh, this has some serious heat from habaneros and ghost peppers.
Oh gosh.
I've been eating a lot of ghost pepper sauce.
Babe,
I think this is pretty hot.
Take a break.
Oh, the first ingredient's pineapple.
You suffer.
There's carrot in here.
Korean? I like Korean.
I'm just gonna try like a little drop.
You don't need hot sauce on
Nice.
pizza.
It's the best on pizza.
No, it's not. That's what ranch is for. I don't even like ranch though.
Whoa. It's so interesting. It's like a citrusy hot sauce.
I don't like them too.
Take a break. Citrus plus hot sauce plus your colon is not good. No joke. The pool just blew down the street. What is this madness? just literally blew down the street. Oh gosh.
I was shaking it.
Ah! I don't want it to pop. That was $7. Oh gosh, now all of the boxes were flying away. I should have checked the forecast before we bought a trampoline and decided to build it. Oh my word. Disaster. Noah's so scared. We need to figure out where to put all those toys before they blow away.
My toys go inside.
Grab my hand! Help!
You're so weird. No, you're gonna blow away. Okay, go to Dad. Go get him. Go save him, Noah. You look like you were trying to do ballet. Hey, what do you think about this? You like it? Do you like the wind? Yeah. PJ likes the wind. Ew, yucky. Yucky.
Seems like very like
wobbly. It'll be better once the net's up because there's like a pole thing to stabilize it.
her pace right now.
Woohoo!
We gotta put the poles up. Be careful, careful. These are dangerous poles.
What do you think of this? She just wants to go out. Okay, it's up. Finally, took a long time. We did it. I think he will enjoy this very much.
It's watching my day.